How to lock cells in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. So let's say you are sharing a Google Sheet document with more people and there are certain cells that you don't want other people to edit or you want to warn them before they edit anything. Google Sheets allows you to easily block cells so that you can prevent other people from making changes to these specific cells. This is especially useful when you have multiple people entering data or changing formulas on the same sheets. So this is just random document I made. Let's select these random cells. Right click, view more cell actions and go to the protect range. You can enter a description or you don't have to. Let's set permission and here you can restrict who can edit this range. You can add editors that can edit the cells with you or you can just show a warning then editing this range. So everyone can't edit but there's gonna be a warning that shows up when they do so. So when I share this document with someone to edit the document, then they cannot edit these cells. And there you have it. You have successfully locked cells in Google Sheets. That's a wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.